what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video here in my channel, and today we are going to unbox this Life Smart COLOLIGHT. It has a built-in pickup module that collects sound and turns them into a sequence of fascinating lighting effects. I ordered 3 pieces of COLOLIGHT with the base and also 1 piece for extension. Inside the box, we have this COLOLIGHT that has a USB cable and the base that is made of plastic, and the other 2 pieces of COLOLIGHT, and of course the 2 connectors, the manual, and the 1 piece extension and 1 connector.
On the track. You can also visit their website cololight.com to learn more about the features of this product.
This product is also compatible with Google Home and Amazon Alexa, and you can also control this using their own app that you can download from App Store, Android, and Google Play. There are lots of available light patterns that you can choose from their app. Using this app, you can also customize your own pattern of lights. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!